ISOKO wado, sign sokomena. Okay, at us now, like this now, as we talk like this now, if I bang my determine of open and if I okay now, me tell me be no joko my Bobby. Yes. No woman you marry, call your end no. You know, seme, hayo ni me, hayo pako me, hayo ure me. Keve ale so arutio na nao. Hayo keve ale tayo. Ere mero no. Come, if you let me be, this you might be say no. When we saw Marano 1 month ISOKO, hayo 1 month ISOKO, hayo was haya ISOKO. My Bobby, you're not Nanure Brusena. Mata ISOKO be, ISOKO first daughter, ISOKO son, ISOKO girl, Bradley ISOKO be, Bradley ISOKO son, ISOKO this, she 14 ISOKO professor, ISOKO lecturer, ISOKO this, ISOKO blah blah blah, barrister, honorable chief doctor, engineer, blah 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 blah. Everybody math here. Oflefle bere metana me. Owo be tu se me correct so re wo ye no wa je be jo re wo ra ko were je gbe agbian. Were sa tutu. ISOKO bere sa, ISOKO bere je na ge mere jo tutu. Yeah, ISOKO ai me be sa. Kona mete so my Bobby la we no white Bobby. Once if I want to mama so me nobody should call me and ask me any. Don't even dare. Don't call me any. Don't call you. The only call you can call me is at Oflefle. Sign your account details. Yes, sir. Alright, now then we're channel knows a video no. Over. The next thing is better heavy block will enter there. Hello, I never do the thing reach where you go take bless my life. Why do they do like that? Sure, you want to wind my nipple. Now so that they do something. I never try reach where you go take bless my account. Sam, I mean my entire office first. I mean, where till they play? So now, when someone else gonna go to when someone else is so on when in the political forum, my political guru, if I say now, traditional rulers are whatsoever, any person, anyhow, when you know say you just be any position, any category where you just don't say you yourself you be. Now you I come meet and you I go talk to. Now you these questions they come for. Not ask me say ask these questions. Now not they hurry me, bro. Matter calm down. Not they hurry me. You know since I been talk. So I dey talk. Allow me to finish my talking first before I come to the questions. Because you can't call yourself ISOKO influencer, ISOKO first daughter, ISOKO real baby, ISOKO what ISOKO honorable, ISOKO professor, ISOKO what you go ISOKO school, you graduate, you get program, you get this, you be ISOKO this, you be ISOKO that, you be this and that, you be professor, you be barrister, you be lecturer, you be this, you be honorable, you be this that, and you don't know these things. It's a very big slap on your face. Hello? Hey, now some me talk, I say na slap on your face. Yes, na quarrel I carry come. Not as we say na quarrel. Yes, na quarrel. So if you don't know, you go just say you don't know. Then people wey know am go teach us. Not ask whether I know am. Oga, I don't know am. I make I come ask. So it's good make you know. Like if you go place when you say some people they ask, they talk their language or they talk something, you too go follow. You go, you know am. So paravention you go anywhere, they come ask, see come, me heaven and earth no say I no go school. Hey, no come ask me say whether I know them or I go school. Bros, madam, I no go. Now me Oflefle talk, I no go school. So ask me, one ask me, so how come did I know all these things? Not ask me how come did I know them. I know them because I know them. Go and ask my ancestors that are teaching me in the dream. You understand? So that is it. Now, don't know if I want to go school, I go must answer this question. If not, I go meet you now. The number one question I have here is, as an ISOKO sons or daughter, if you are asked in anywhere, what is the full meaning of ISOKO? Eme oto fan bi ame na say no hayo be na be say no ISOKO. Eme ho auto farie after channel where photo is. If they tell you say make you define ISOKO, make you explain the name. Just 5 letter words, ISOKO. Explain them one after the other. How you go take, you understand? That's the number one question. Then number two question, not even remember my handwriting na blast, so not good there. Now far when they scatter dustbin. Yeah, I'm not go school. I want to sabi handwriting. No, they don't just go that side. Now, number two question say, who founded ISOKO? Onofa ISOKO na. Yes. Onofa. Okay, fine. Your own community where you come from, so for ISOKO land, so who found them? Some ISOKO, some communities when we say 2 persons, 3 persons join hands together, find out. So found that some day when we say only one person, I found out. Oh no fire or run, we not say no fire. ISOKO na so na. Oh no when you no fire. Okay, when I was like when you're ISOKO na so can go up on we no say na. Oh no when you no fire. Operation visit your parents. For the answer, hello. Begin they call your village people now. Not call me. I'll not be your village person. Number 3. But 3 mara na have a sa. Hey, me kwen no one and another no play. Now number 3 now. When was ISOKO founded? If how can ISOKO? How you be very ISOKO? This is history, we are throwing. I'm trying to throw your memory back to history. Hello, not using my English. Any I tell understand that like that. Bro, braka bro. Bobby manage anything. Now number 4. Where ISOKO migrate from? Bove, how you say ISOKO? You know say. Oja maki bukane kaya. Oria no unoze. Oria no bukane na. Kete ko emarona. Wete bukanu kanute uwe. Ko were wete ha. Were dem wete ha. Ki no maje bukane na. Maje dom wete na. Kubegi ne oria no. Manoze. Oreneme. Fine. Whereas I saw Marano, what we so called was I just so good by ha. I mean, for men will be sick, which are a bay, a repens I battle. But I don't know, so good in school is so going in. Was I just so called by hand with so Marano, one more so cool. It's an Leo. Now let's move ahead. Okay, number 5. Or have you so no now? Where ISOKO has migrated to now? Just say where no ISOKO a fat no. If I on na. Jesse, West I carry on ISOKO fat no a factory action no. ISOKO don't migrate reach this kind place so. ISOKO don't migrate come here. ISOKO migrate come this other place so. That is number 5. Number 6 or how many communities or town and villages do we have in ISOKO land at as present, like now? Make no look the other one they come. Now the one we don't get now we know. How many community and villages you know say ISOKO don't get now? Do you know their names? Me, I know them and I have them. Yes, if you meet me, I will give you them. But no, you can't ask me to give you those names empty-handed. Because every day, every night, I dey crack this my coconut head. I know they sleep. I know they sleep. I know they rest. They waka up and down. They call. They consult. You dey hear me so? How far they call this kind thing for ISOKO? How far this kind thing be for ISOKO? How far this one take be for ISOKO? I go dey write am with my yeye handwriting. I no kukuma go school. I no sabi. Una go school, so una go school. No problem. Una still go ISOKO school. Una still graduate. Una still get degree. Una still get project. Una still get this. Yes, una no fit speak ISOKO correct. Come on to speak the ISOKO correct. So your own language, okay, your own community, everybody get your own community tongue. You no fit dey even speak am well. You dey tell me say you be wetin come. No wahala, no problem. We when we no kukuma go, God no say I not go before. So you when you go na wanna go, na call answer house. No be only English una go sabi. English and general language. You know be even general language na person language. For your own, you no fit sabi, no problem. That is your headache. Now, how many communities and villages do we have in ISOKO? No, answer. You must answer. Now, what I carry come for this video, don't play with me. Now, they will beat me one day. When I not read what I did talk. Now, just my way I did do video. No, when I not using me, I just so back to business. Now, number 7. No, forget what I said they do. I'm serious. Who brought Christianity to ISOKO? That is Christianity. Who bring her come ISOKO and who she hear be that? Your before to be awarded not to be nyasi. I vote to be nyasi did one night. Oh no, na koye answer. Number 8. Who or what is the name of the first teacher in ISOKO? The first teacher for ISOKO land. What it be in name or her name? Or who be that self and where you will come from? Yes. Students! What is the name of your teacher? Students! Lecturer. How do they call them? Professors. Oh, I bet man tell us. Now, number 9. What is the name of the first community in ISOKO land? Oh no, I'm back with ISOKO. Oh no, I'm back. Oh no, I'm back with ISOKO. I will fail back with ISOKO. Now the number 10 question follow. That says that stand up. Ano aje maje. Ele ubrevie. Oh no ubrevie. Wo fe ubrevie. Ha wo fe o ma ha. Eva obro to ISOKO. Ate wo pa ko na gba ubrevie o. He. Agba wo ma. He. Come over, my if I ISOKO. Come on, go ahead. You understand, so? Then, EJ Nanai, let me come back from this video for this very one so in day yes. Because here I have another 12. So this one when I talk and I tell. Number one say, what is the full meaning of ISOKO? 2, who founded ISOKO? 3, where was ISOKO founded? When was ISOKO founded? Number 4, where ISOKO migrated from? Number 5, where ISOKO has migrated to now? Number 6, how many communities and villages do we have in ISOKO? Number 7, who brought Christianity to ISOKO? Number 8, who or what is the name of the first teacher in ISOKO? Number 9, what is the name of the first community in ISOKO? Number 10, the last on this very video for these very questions when I ask so what community is the last community in ISOKO? Because first, second, no, forget the second, the third, no, not just go that side. Not just go that side. The first, the last. So those are the questions for now. See me in the next video when I will upload or ask the questions which I have here. You understand? So oh, you both guy where bro, not time. You bro brackets. Don't fucking deal with me, Oflefle Roomote. So Kenny, you know my Kenna. Anything you want to talk, any answer when you want answer, just put them for comment section, no problem. I will respond to you there. If I don't even respond to you, your colleague will respond to you. You understand? So that let's learn. Most of us don't know these things when I ask, so just as I don't know them. You understand me? So answer so that we will learn. Now ISOKO will they talk about so. Now ISOKO things are they do. Why they do like that? Leave my matter for me. Let's promote ISOKO to the world. Oh yeah, let's go. See you when we saw in the comment section. Thank you, God bless you. ISOKO to the world. Wado Mary West Bini. Wamufuko man, the tattoo.